Hello and welcome into the 3D. I know it's been a few months since I last published a video because I was feeling overwhelmed, but recently I found an AI that might change the game and animation industries, so I decided to make a video about it. Before I begin, I would like to thank to my supporters who have supported me by buying me a coffee. If you want to support this channel, you can buy me a coffee using this link in the descriptions. First, let me explain what this AI can do. Basically, it can generate 3D models from an image. It's not perfect, but when you consider that it doesn't see behind the image, it does an amazing job and even comes with textures. But the best part is the wireframe. I have tried a few AI 3D generators before, but the problem was the topology. With this AI, that problem is also fixed. So now, let me show you how you can use it from concept to 3D model generation. For this step, you will need a concept character or object as a reference. I generated the concept art using ChatGPT, but you can use any image. Once you have the image, I recommend removing the background to avoid confusing the AI. I use an online background remover tool for this, and I will include the link in the descriptions. After completing these steps, visit the website link in the descriptions, click on the plus icon, and attach the reference image. If your image has a transparent background, enable the Use Alpha Channel option for better result. Then click on Generate and wait for the result, which will take only a few minutes. The first result is this one. It's not the best, but we can improve it by changing some settings. I will enable the Complex Geometry option and also make it game ready. Let's click on Redo and wait for the result. I actually like this one. It's not perfect, but it is really close to the reference image. If you prefer the first one, you can go back using the history, but I will keep this one and press confirm. Quick tip: if you want to rig the character for games, it's best to use a reference image with a T-pose, so the body and arms aren't touching or too close together. Here is the result. Let me show you the wireframe, which I think the software does a great job generating with perfect topologies. We can also click the mesh editor to edit this 3D object. I will use the smooth tool to smooth out some parts. Maybe I will smooth this area and this one as well. And I think I will keep it like this. You can play around, but I don't want to spend too much time, so let's confirm it. Great, now it has regenerated the topology and the little issue we had on the top part is gone. Now we can move to the next step, which is generating the textures. In this panel, we have two options, the PBR temperature and the reference strength. I will increase the reference strength and spend the credit for this. Let's give it another minute. There you go. From that reference image, this is what we got. If you look at the back, considering we didn't provide a reference, it did a great job generating the unseen parts. On the top left hand side, you can switch to different shading modes. I think this is amazing and it will change the whole game. If you are happy with it, you can confirm it. Then, I will export it as an FBX file, but you can use any supported format. I want to export the shaded materials, not the PBR, and some settings require a subscription. If this is useful for you, it is definitely worth getting. Let's click on download. Now you can import this into any 3D software or game engine and use it for your projects. If you want to learn more about this, check out the video published by Rodin, where a 3D character is generated using Rodin AI and then used in Unreal Engine 5. Once again, thank you for your support. And if you want to see more content on this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you all in the next video.